สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, my name is Manirat. I'm from Thailand. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook Thai fried egg tofu. Okay, let's see. These are the ingredients we are going to need. Garlic, ground pork or ground chicken, mushroom, egg tofu, scallions, tomato, onion, and carrot. We are also going to need some other things too. Flour, oil, 3-in-1 sauce, tapioca, sugar, and salt. So let's begin. First, we are going to crush the garlic. We use the fat side of the knife to crush it. Like this. And then we're gonna chop it. Alright, it's done for this. So now we're gonna chop up our onion. You can use much as you want or just a little for who don't like onion. Now time to chop up the tomato. But you need to make sure everything is already clean or wash it. It's the same. It's like I told you, if you like it, you can put as much. But if you don't like it, you don't need to push it or just a little bit. Now, time to peel the carrot. Time for the mushroom. Scallion. I already cut out this part because I don't like this one. Last thing, we're gonna cut our tofu. Now we have all of the ingredients prepared. So right now we're gonna put some flour on our tofu. It should look something like this. First, we're gonna deep fry our tofu. I think right now it's pretty good. So when they turn like this, we can take it out. Right now our tofu is fine and look good. So just leave it now and do another step. Alright, after tofu, we're gonna cook. First, you put oil and then wait until hot. Okay, and then put garlic, onion, tomato, carrots, and mushroom. We're gonna stir a bit and then we're gonna put ground chicken. And then ground chicken time. Alright, and then sugar. Salt. This one is 3-in-1, so will help you save time because they will have oyster sauce, fish sauce, and soy sauce in here already. Will very easy. During we waiting our food done, so use tapioca a bit and then put some water like this. And then cook. For Thai food, or especially for my food, I not measure for ingredient, but I just keep tasting. Good. Alright, I think our food is done. Then we're gonna put on top of our tofu. This. And last step, don't forget your scallion. Thank you for watching my video. And if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. And see you next video. Bye.